up, guys? It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun back at you guys with another video. Today, we are actually getting ready to do some mail unboxing from one of my subscribers. But before we get to that, I just want to say we greatly appreciate one, you subscribe to the channel, follow the channel, commented back, everything. This is a good surprise. First mail ever to come for Smoking Metal Car Fun. As y'all can see on my merchandise shirt, Smoking Metal Car Fun, with the orange, with the camouflage, somewhere else around here, with the skull on the side. So, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and see where we go from there.
Who's it from? Who's it from?
This package is from the Other Side of the Boat YouTube channel. If you guys can, please go to his channel. Make sure you give a big thumbs up. Go subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Share. I'm surprised. I greatly appreciate you, Other Side of the Boat. From my hometown too, as well, my home state, Maryland. Of course, you know your boy is from Baltimore, so we greatly appreciate you, man. Hopefully, we can enjoy this, and we're not gonna talk about it just yet, but we're gonna hopefully that it definitely gets some pleasure out of it. So with that being said, we're just gonna go ahead and get right into this unboxing. I'm still, what's the word, flabbergasted behind the whole ordeal. First package from one of my subscribers. So guess what? We're gonna make sure we send you some of my Smoking Metal Car Fun merch. So be on the lookout for that. It will be coming to you soon. Yeah. Let's get into this, man. So let's go ahead, unbox this big box. It's a big box. You know, that's a big box. Let's see. Yeah. Got the whole family here. We're in the office where work get done at, where we do a lot of our renderings for the material. For the merchandise and anything someone's looking for. So, with that being said,
You want me to help you, Dad?
yeah, there you go. You just gotta run this part down through here. Okay? Yep. In the center. Don't go too deep. Alright.
Stab yourself too.
I didn't really stab
You
myself.
know I already stabbed myself.
Yeah,
Went to the hospital, had to go to the hospital.
Yeah,
Get my finger done.
yeah, you gotta get your thumb.
Was this a thumb?
Oh, it was a pinky.
Oh, yeah, it was my pinky finger.
How did you even do that anyway? How did you even do that anyway?
Has your channel heard that story yet?
Carelessness. No, they haven't. Out there making stuff and stabbed myself in the finger. All the way through my pinky with these scissors. We just got the cricket.
Just
and
got
went
it.
right through. Wham! All I could do is look at my wife and say, "Baby, I think I stabbed myself." Next you know, I pulled it out. I had to go to the hospital. I was bleeding and stuff.
Jumping around on the porch
Yeah, it was crazy.
like a wild bull.
It was crazy. So,
I believe you were crying.
in all reality, we're gonna let me hold this camera for a second. We're gonna take this camera and we're gonna point it down, and we are going. Gotta get it nice and tight. Shit!
What have you done?
I just broke it. I just broke the part to tighten it up. Goodness gracious!
That's what I meant.
I'm gonna need a
What
new
have you done?
stabilizer. Luckily, I got a bunch of them. So, with that being said, D, this came for you.
For me.
This is an early birthday present from our friend, the other side of the boat.
Is that why you had me watch that video?
Reactions is awesome.
Is that why you had me watching that video?
Yeah.
What video?
You always said, I would love to get me a
I've
metal
said
detector.
that for a long
You've been
time.
saying it for a long time.
I've been watching other people do that too.
I commented on his video, and he said, "Oh, early present." So he hooked me
Wow.
up for my son. So,
Happy.
Simply unreal.
huh?
I don't think I said that right.
Okay. What did it say?
Raveled. Unraveled.
That's not raveled. Revolved.
Unrevolved. Simply unrevolved.
Miss Dictionary, I need your help.
Working. She wanted to see, but she's working now. So simply
Unrevealed.
unrevealed. Revealed?
Unrivaled.
Unrivaled.
Rivaled.
Okay. It's upside down on my side.
Yeah.
There you go. It says simply unrivaled. This is a nice looking metal detector too.
I was going for it. I hear so we can see it there.
Yeah, you got it? Go ahead. Need help? Need scissors? He just gonna tear into it. He just tear
Actually, it's
into
not even tearing. It's just feeling.
Gotta unwrap. That's awesome, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you. We gotta send him definitely some smoking metal cross my nerve.
It says the first waterproof detector on the market, offering extreme depth and high-end features at an entry-level price. Simple enough for beginners, yet impressive enough for experts. Iron volume, notch discrimination, frequency shift, vibration, backlight, keypad, LCD and LED, flashlight, DD search coil, 28 centimeter, 11 inches. Online firmware updates. Wireless audio ready, built-in rechargeable battery. Lightweight, 2.9 pounds. All metals, parks, fields, and beach.
That's awesome. I'm ready to see it. I'm ready to see it. Open the box. Open the box. Let's get this money, as my boy say. That's pretty awesome. Hook your arm right into it. Got the headphones to go to it.
I'm sure how to put this together.
Huh?
Not 100% sure how to put this together.
Put the sticks together.
Well, I know put the sticks together, but I gotta figure out which way.
So just figure it out. It's slow motion. Yep. See? Same thing. We definitely gonna give a shout out to my friend on the other side of the boat YouTube channel. Please make sure y'all go to his channel. Give him a support. Give him a subscribe. Make sure you guys like, comment, and
I've been fighting with my computer since 1 o'clock.
58.
There you go.
Look out.
Nice little wreck road Hot Wheel.
Thank you.